Let's be honest. Sometimes your eBay listing looks like plain text with no life. And if that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but truly effective tool that helps you quickly create clean and well-structured descriptions for your eBay listings, fully ready to download and use without extra work. Meet eBay Seller Listing Assistant. To get started, simply open the main page of the service. There are no extra steps or complicated settings. You can start working right away. Describe your product. Enter the product information into the input field. You can write freely here. There's no need to worry about structure, capitalization, spelling, or punctuation. Just list the main details in a way that feels natural to you. For example, shoes, black, men's. You can also take an existing description from another eBay listing or from the manufacturer's website. Simply copy the text and paste it into the input field. Below, you'll see additional fields: product category, brand, condition, model, material, color, features, as well as shipping information. Filling them out is optional, but recommended. These fields help structure your listing and describe your product more accurately. Here, you can also choose how your listing will look. To do this, 3 different layout templates are available. Classic is a clean and versatile template that works well for most products and categories. Modern offers a more contemporary and visually expressive design with a stronger focus on layout and visual structure. SEO is a template designed with search optimization in mind, placing emphasis on key product details and well-structured text content. When everything is ready, click the Generate button. With a single click, the service creates a clean HTML listing ready to be used on eBay. First, let's open the Classic template. This is a clean and restrained layout with a clear structure: a title, key features, a description, and dedicated sections with product information. This type of layout feels familiar to eBay buyers and works well for most product categories. Let's go back to the main page and take a look at the next option. Now, let's open the Modern template. It features a more contemporary look with visually highlighted sections and blocks, giving the layout a cleaner and more dynamic feel. Here, you can switch between different color schemes and immediately see how the listing design changes. This makes it easy to choose a style that fits a specific product or brand. And finally, the SEO template. In this version, the main focus is on text and on clearly presenting key product features. This template helps structure the description logically and can be especially useful for search visibility. Just like in the Modern template, you can change the color scheme here and instantly see the result. This way, you can choose the template and overall design that best fits your product and listing format. After choosing a template, click the Download button. The service will generate a ZIP archive, which includes an HTML file with the ready-to-use listing code and a PDF file with usage instructions. The description is fully prepared. You can upload it to eBay right away and use it in your listing. Now, let's take a look at how to use the generated HTML code directly on eBay. We'll start by creating a new listing and navigating to the product description section. Here, we switch to HTML editing mode and paste the code from the generated file. After that, we move to preview mode and immediately see how the listing will appear to eBay buyers. This allows you to check the final result in advance and make sure everything looks exactly the way you expect. You see the listing exactly as your customers will see it before it goes live. No guesswork, no blind edits. eBay Seller Listing Assistant helps you quickly create clean, well-structured HTML listings and use them right away in your eBay listings. Simple, clear, and effective.